Welcome to JH. Wyze just dropped their palm lock, and honestly, I'm kind of obsessed. This isn't your typical smart lock situation. This thing reads your palm veins, which is actually pretty wild. For a cool $130, you can unlock your door just by waving your hand near it like you're attempting a Jedi mind trick on your own house. It uses palm vein recognition, which sounds incredibly sophisticated until you realize it's basically just scanning the blood vessels under your skin, because apparently, your door needs to know your circulatory status before it lets you in. They've packed this thing with plenty of features, including a 6-month battery life with dual batteries, so you won't find yourself locked out and questioning your life choices. It features an auto lock that actually knows when the door is closed and plays nice with Alexa and Google Assistant. Plus, you can still use regular keys, PIN codes, or the Wyze app to get in. It's like having 5 different ways to enter your home, which is perfect for those of us who lose our keys twice a week. Installation takes about 25 minutes with just a screwdriver. If you've ever managed to change a deadbolt without calling for professional backup, you can handle this. What I love is that the palm scanning actually works fast and feels genuinely futuristic. Plus, it's weather-resistant, so a little rain won't fry its brain. At $130, it easily beats competitors that try to charge you $400 for the same tech. Of course, it's not all perfect. Wyze has a bit of a hit-or-miss track record with firmware updates, and some of their older locks had connection issues that were about as reliable as a chocolate teapot. This is a great pick for tech lovers who want the latest toys, families tired of the key-juggling circus, or anyone wanting smart features without spending mortgage-level money. My verdict? The Wyze Palm Lock is a brilliant piece of affordable future tech. It's not flawless, but at this price point, it's pretty impressive and definitely beats fumbling for keys while carrying groceries. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe. What's your take? Is this a win or a hard pass? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.